Oh, hello there, everybody. Oh, hi, Freddy. What's up? There's some good news. Yup, it's all about Hex plush version of Candy the Cat. So take a look at it, Freddy. Oh, alright. Whoa, that looks different. A lot different than the Funko version of him. It's really interesting how he have buttons for his eyes and for the burger right there. So Rudolph and Clarice, have you seen anything like it? Uh, no, we haven't seen anything like it. Yeah, we never seen it before. Oh, all right. Let's see what else is there. Here's what he looks like. Where Candy, that's got all the parts that they put some magnets inside, so that way so he can be put together between his arms, his body, his tail, his legs, his head, even a burger with eyes. Very interesting idea. Yeah, I know, Freddy. It looks neat. It looks really different. Yep. A lot different than the Funko version that we have now. Yup. Well, guys, it's been after Christmas, and boy, it's fun and very successful. It sure is, Freddy. We got all the presents that we want for Christmas. Yup. Me too, guys. It's great. Feels good to spend time with you. You too, Rudolph. Feels great to spend time with you too, Rudolph. And you too, Clarice. Thanks. You're welcome. So, Rudolph and Clarice, how would you like that we make a series about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer himself, along with his friends, spending time together and fun adventures? I say that looks great. Yeah, what a great idea. Thanks, Clarice and Rudolph. So what's the title is going to be for Rudolph's plush series? Maybe we'll call it Rudolph's Plush Adventures. I say that's a great idea for a title. Yeah. Thanks, everybody. So, anyways, guys, what do you think about the Hex plush version of Candy the Cat? Let us know what do you think in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos, so that way we'll keep up with these new updates. And feel free to give a big thumbs up if you like this video. It will help us out, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.